What is going on? This is Caucasian Mark, the whitest dude on the internet. Let me clear out this badass stuff down below. Today's video we're going to be talking about overloading. Now this is not like, the shampoo, conditioner, 2-in-1 kind of overloading you think of when you're shopping at a Walmart or a Kroger. This is Java we're talking about. So what is overloading now that I've wasted a few seconds of your time? Overloading is when you have the same method name but the signature is slightly different. And the only way you could really explain that is to show you. So let's, because I love system out, let's go ahead and do something really easy here. So let's go into make something, let's see, static, void, and let's say print me out. And let's have that just be plain here. And this is going to be so we have down here system out print line. You use the first version of this method. Now it's not like say there's multiple versions of the method. I just kind of want to strain and show the difference here. So let's come down here. Static void print me out. Let's give it a string of first name. I'm going to have your first name is, we're going to add it in with that plus first name. And then let's come down here. Let's copy and paste that. We're going to come down here. Son of a bitch, come on keyboard. You use the second version of this method. So let's come down in here. Since they're both static, we do. And let's just do print me out. And then let's do system out. Print line, just leave that blank there, and then we're going to do another one down here, print me out, and before that let's just do string first name equals Mr. Cheeks the third. So let's come down here. Sweet. So we could see is on this line right here, line 25, we're using print me out. Awesome. And it says you use the first version of this method. You are using whatever, I don't give a shit what it sounds like, as long as the example is pretty cool. Use the first version of this method. Awesome, fun, cool, I'm excited. So then we create a spacing on line 26, which is this gap right here obviously, and then we give it the string, which is the argument up here that's requesting some kind of string, with that's going to be used as the first name. And we print out your first name is Mr. Cheeks the third, and then it says you use the second version of this method, or used I should say. You used. Happy now? And so this is what overloading is. This is the same as this, but the requirements are different in here. And you'll see that a lot of that in the Java library when you go to use other classes, when you go to import things coming on in. There'll be multiple methods you could use, but there are different kinds of arguments you could pass in depending on what you're trying to manipulate or what the end game of your method may be. That's pretty much all it is to this. You don't have to use strings, you could use numbers, you can use strings and numbers of whatever type you want. Objects. Like I said, all that matters is that the method names are the same, but the arguments are going to be different therein. It's Caucasian Mark. Like, share, subscribe, contribute. Enjoy the rest of your lovely day. Have a beer for me. See ya.